A drone captures footage of a mysterious figure at Cannock Chase. A woman dressed in white was spotted standing among the trees in this infamous area of rural England. Situated in rural Staffordshire, England, the area of countryside known as Cannock Chase has gained something of a reputation over the years for being home to all manner of weird and disturbing things. Both visitors and locals alike have reported everything from UFOs and paranormal phenomena to sightings of strange creatures wandering through these woods. This particular sighting, which shows what has been described by the media as a black-eyed girl, comes courtesy of a drone pilot who captured footage of a mysterious figure in the forest some years ago. Dressed in what appears to be a long white robe, the figure can be made out quite clearly and looks like a woman with long hair, just standing there looking at the drone. You can check out the footage. This is by Daily Record on Unexplained Mysteries. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.